So, it didn't last till payday, unfortunately. And the other side let go. So, we've got to weld both sides back together again.
Told you we should have took it out.
Yeah. Well, I was worried that the bolts that go through there were going to snap. And then, as I said, I'd be stuck in your garage, not going anywhere.
Ooh.
I know.
Clickery and knockery.
Yeah, never mind.
Going on in there.
Yeah, that'll be resolved when the new ones arrive. Right, so I'm going to try and make this a bit shinier using this tool. Ooh. You might want to stand back.
That might be a bit overkill, just to...
No, it won't. It'll be fine.
Alright.
You've done it again, haven't you?
What?
You've left me with no power.
Is it the power button there?
Is it that one?
There you go.
Is it plugged in now? Done.
Nice.
See? Told you. You've no faith in my ability.
Well, I've got faith in you.
Just think I'm nuts.
No, I just think there's a high belief that you do stupid shit.
I do stupid shit, as the sticker on my car now says. Fucking easy, isn't it?
Jobbly jobbly.
Yeah, man. Right, where's the other one? This one. Make this one shiny now.
I'm trying to clear all the dirt out of there as well, shall I?
Yeah, you carry on de-dirting the crusty hole. Dun, 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 dun. That'd be alright, wouldn't it?
I don't.
Sweet. I'll do the same to this now. I'm not feeling these Scuba Steve goggles though.
I'll get some more.
No, I'll just bring mine next time. Right, best way of getting in there is probably like that. Dee, 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 dee. Right, I reckon inch and a half back and that'd be enough. Are you a left-handed?
What?
You a lefty?
Alright, it's on the wrong side.
I have no idea, but
Put it on the other side if it makes you happier.
no, it's just weird. Don't feel right.
Alright, put it on the other side.
No, just
Or
don't bother.
just don't have it. I think.
I'm probably going to have to cut that side as well, and then just grind the whole thing flat. Getting a bit warm. Got a mallet.
Many.
I only want one. That one will do. Give me the wood hammer. Okay. It's kind of hot. Don't touch that. That's not burning your worktop, is it?
No, I'm worried about the worktop.
I'm worried about the worktop.
Yeah.
See, where we did weld it is solid.
I still think you should try and take that off though.
What, take this shim thing we made off,
Yes. I believe we should take that off.
and then probably
We can then offer up the new parts.
weld in a bolt in here again.
Yeah. Yeah. The question is the sleeve, like, you know, a fully sealed sleeve, going to slot over the top of it
Well,
and fit nicely, or
Do I need to
do we
sort
need
it
to
and
do it in
bend it?
pieces again? Because you've got I noticed on this one the bend in it.
Yeah, it's got a slight kink,
Yeah,
but that might be
and
because
obviously
of the
we want to
stress
make sure
of
that we can
it.
butt it up
Yeah, but
nicely. So
that bend could be because the amount of stress that was just on that side.
it could be, but yeah, I think the best approach is going to be, like you say, if we take that off,
Yeah.
yeah,
Tidy it all
leave the
up.
bolt in there,
Yeah.
and then we'll put both of them up. I can stick a couple of tack welds in there if you want and get it, you know, so it's in position.
Yeah.
And then we can build some proper decent shims that will go all the way around it. Because even if you've got the two pieces of shim, I can seam weld it down there. I've done that on this stuff before.
Yeah.
So I can put a nice seam weld all the way down the middle of it, just make it solid again.
Sweet.
So I reckon in two pieces and stages, it will be better.
It's already bent and fucked. Trying to think of like trying to go through there.
Yeah, see,
Good glove.
I think I'd go for like trying to take the top layer of the shim off,
Right, yeah.
as if you're filing it down.
Good shout. Nobody's working from home at the moment who would be moaning about the level of noise, would there?
Don't know.
No? Oh, fair enough. Just trying to be considerate. Go on, go. There it goes.
It was surprisingly hard to cut off. I think we did all right with that shim on that part anyway.
Well, yeah. 'Cause, yeah, first time ever holding a welder, it's double hard. Just go through that side. And then, yeah, see where I'm at. How's it looking? You happy?
Yeah. Yeah. Bolts welded in.
Is there any movement?
Nope. So that's, I'm going pretty solid. Keep on moving. It's difficult to get in there, but across here, which is John's nicely. But it's held all of that in where it needs to be. So now I can get the other end.
Tack that.
Tack that into place, and then we can start working on some like shimmies.
Oh, that's almost it. No, it's not.
Ish.
Oh. That needs to butt up like that, but I don't think they're in line.
No. Yeah, have a look. Let me get it in the right place. I've got an idea.
Oi, oi. Can't remember what side of the bolt you're on. Might be better off with this bigger thing. Oh, you wanker. Oh, I don't have to threads it. Oh, it'll go that way. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect.
Like a glove.
Like a glove. Smash it about with that one.
Yeah, so it's not straight.
That part is fairly straight. This one has a big bend in it.
Yeah.
So they need to be.
It might be the big blob of weld on the nut or the bolt that we put in there.
Looking good to me.
Yeah.
Looking good to me.
Yeah, it might be a case of thinking about the head of that bolt, shouldn't it? I mean, that could have like bent when it got slammed into it. I would hold it, but I can't hold it while you're welding.
No. I think we're missing all of that because of what we did previously. I think that there, sort of there or thereabouts. I might just try and tap that bit there together.
And then flip it over.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a case of
A little bit of jiggery pokery, holdery stickery, and
yeah. But you want to try and get that as flat as possible, like that, and weld it.
yeah, I think that's what I was getting when I did that. Kind of got my arm pressing down on there,
Oh yeah.
and then my other hand holding that, and then welding.
Very quickly, yeah. Yeah. Your neighbour, right? He's mowing that bit of lawn. There's not enough grass. You could do it with a pair of shears. Educate him.
Can't be like that.
He'd get more
That-
exercise if
that
he did it with
what's
some
his name,
scissors.
character. You know that character, like the one on the telly. Where, you don't want to do it
Yeah,
like that.
yeah,
You want to
yeah.
do it like
Yeah.
this.
Harry Enfield, wasn't it?
That's the one, yeah.
When it fucks up, nothing to do with me.
It's not in the right fucking place now, is it? I had it there, and I fucking moved it. Keep moving. Yeah. Bitch. That's fucking straight.
Yeah, man. That auger bit, man. That's a pretty pretty good jig. Yeah, let it cool down before we pull that. Drill
Get
bit
it
out.
out a little bit in there too.
Oh, what, you can try and fill that gap?
No. There's two patches there where it just about meets. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll run away again.
Like it. Like it. Where's my foil?
Lovely.
Let's just make sure we got some.
What's happened to the tray of ash?
It's over here.
Oh, okay.